Career selection and achieve success from Vedic birth chart. Key factors to consider. 1. Lagna strength. A strong Lagna, ascendant, indicates a person's overall vitality and ability to achieve their goals. 2. Second house represents wealth, family, and speech. A well-placed second lord can indicate a career related to finance, communication, or family business. Mercury into ND house indicates income through communication. 3. Sixth house represents daily work, health, and service. A well-placed sixth lord can indicate a career in healthcare, service industry, or daily routine-based work. 6th and 10th house connections suggest a job rather than independence business. 4. 7th house represents partnerships, relationships, and business. A well-placed 7th lord can indicate a career in business, law, or relationships. 7th house and 10th house connection indicates entrepreneur path involving partnerships, client-facing role. 5. 10th house represents career, profession, and public image. A well-placed 10th lord is crucial for a successful career. Sun in 10th house generally indicated government job, administration, medicine-related job. Moon in 10th house nursing, hospitality, liquid-related, arts-related job. Mars in 10th house engineering, military, police, surgery, real estate field work. Mercury in 10th house communication, writing, technical, media, IT, business work. Jupiter in 10th house law, teaching finance, higher education, spiritual guidance. Venus in 10th house fashion, entertainment, luxury, design work. Saturn in 10th house discipline, hard work, administration, law, engineering, labor-intensive work. Rahu in 10th house technology, foreign job, politics, research. Ketu in 10th house spirituality, research, healing, hidden profession. Planets ruling 10th house most important. If exalted, debilitated, placed in own sign, Mulatrikone significantly color the nature of the career. 6. 11th house represents gains, income, and friendships. A well-placed 11th lord can indicate a career with good financial prospects. Yogas. Raj Yogas. Grohon Yogad. Dhana Yogad. Dhana Yoga is a planetary combination that indicates wealth and financial prosperity. It can be formed by the lords of the 2nd, 5th, 9th, and 11th houses. Birth Nakshatra. The birth nakshatra, star, can influence a person's personality, strengths, and weaknesses. Certain nakshatras are associated with specific traits and career inclinations. Strength of nakshatra. The strength of the nakshatra can be determined by its lord, its position in the birth chart, and its relationship with other planets. Planets in friend or enemy signs. Planets sitting in friend or enemy signs can significantly impact their expression. Friendly planets can enhance each other's positive qualities, while enemy planets can create challenges. Aspects. Planetary aspects can also influence career prospects. Benefic aspects can bring opportunities, while malefic aspects can create obstacles. Strength of Jupiter and Venus. These two planets particularly important for career and overall prosperity. Moha Dasa, Antara Dasa, Gochar, transit of the candidate determine particular time of the events. Additional factors. Other factors to consider when selecting a career from a Vedic birth chart include 1. Planetary yogas, combinations of planets that can indicate specific career paths or challenges. 2. Dasas and bhuktis, planetary periods and subperiods that can influence career prospects and challenges. 3. Divisional charts, charts like the D10, Dasamsa chart, which can provide insights into career and profession. Final career selection process. To select a career from a Vedic birth chart, consider the following steps. 1. Analyze the birth chart. Identify the strengths and weaknesses of the Lagna, planetary positions, and aspects. 2. Determine career inclinations based on the 2nd, 6th, 7th, 10th, and 11th houses. Identify potential career paths. 3. Consider Dhana Yoga. If present, it can indicate financial prosperity and stability in the chosen career. 4. Assess Nakshatra influence. Consider the birth nakshatra's traits and career inclinations. 5. Evaluate planetary relationships, considering the relationships between planets, including friendships and enmities. 6. Synthesize the information. Combine the insights from the above steps to determine a suitable career path. By carefully analyzing these factors, individuals can gain valuable insights into their career potential and make informed decisions.